Yes, my name is Stephenos comedian, or if you like, watching Stephen. I was born in Migori and grew up in Migori. I started my comedy in 2022, where I started my content, which was called Landlord. I always suffering in life or struggling in life, so that one time, my life will be better in future. Although even when I am struggling like this, some of neighbors or some of friends, they are also busy making false story about me. Even by the time I started my comedy, I always struggling to find fans, to search for fans or to look for fans on YouTube. I always busy creating my content and suffering in my work, but some of my friends always busy making things that can make my life in danger. I want to request you, my friends, those who are watching my video, and those who are ready to support me, and those who are not ready to support me. Kindly, I want to tell you that life is for struggle. No way you can build your life better, or no way you can make your life better without struggling. Today I also, if you see this video, I always struggling and always I'm doing several jobs. I'm always doing, like now if you see, I'm doing mjengo, but also I am a comedian. If you look at my YouTube channel, I am the old man. So if you are already saying false story about me, you just say, but later after all, you will see me going far away from you. And now if you look at this, please friends, life of someone, never discuss about life of someone before you know how it will end. Always I'm praying God, or always I'm trying to pray my God, so that one day He will make me with my comedy somewhere. I also want to tell you or tell my friends, those who are ready to support me, kindly let's support me on YouTube channel. I have several videos and always I'm ready to release new contents. Although if you are seeing me doing mjengo there, always I'm making my new contents. If you go there on YouTube, you will see all of them trying to support me there. Let those who are busy making false story about their neighbor or about me also, let them just make. But later after all, instead of laughing, they will cry about the time they waste making false story about you or about me. I'm ready to struggling. If always I'm struggling to make my life better, you are busy making false things that can make my life to become to an end. I'm requesting you to stop that. And lastly, I'm still requesting you to go to the YouTube and subscribe to Stephenos Comedy channel.